Hi, everybody. This is Sean Henricksen here from the Sean Henricksen Law Firm, where we help good people like you avoid the devastating consequences of criminal charges. Today, I want to make this video and let you know a little bit about what you can expect from me if you end up hiring me to represent you on your case. Before we get to that, I do have a free download for you if you haven't downloaded it yet. It's 4 things you need to do right now if you are arrested. You can go down in the notes and there's a link down there you can click on, and I will email that right over to you. I think that it's important that people know what to expect from me when they hire me. And one of those things that you can expect, obviously, and I hope it goes without saying, is that I'm going to work towards getting you a good result in your case. I feel like it should go without saying, but I do see attorneys who seem not to be focused mainly on what their client wants. They're just trying to get something finished quickly. But I want to make sure that we know what your goal is on the case, and that I'm working towards your goal, not on what I want to have happen on the case. The second thing that you should expect from me is that I'm going to let you know what you can expect to happen during a case. Nothing is more stressful than walking into a courtroom with no idea what's going to happen, whether the case is going to be reset, whether this case is going to trial. Every time I've got a client whose case is set to go to court, I'm going to call them up beforehand and let them know what they can expect to have happen on that court date, whether it's reset or whether it's going to trial, and also find out if they have any questions for me so that I can make sure that when they walk into that courtroom, they understand what's going on and they're not just lost in trying to figure things out. Another thing that you can expect from me is to treat you with respect. I know that good people are arrested every day and charged with things that they did not do. I'm not sure if you know my backstory, but I was arrested when I was younger for DWI. And I remember what it's like to be in your position. And so, one of the main things that I want to do to you is treat you with respect, answer any questions that you have, because that's what you deserve. You can also expect me to keep in contact with you. I reach out to my clients periodically just to check to see how they're doing and to find out if they have any questions about what's going on. Ultimately, this is their case, and whatever happens in this case is going to affect them. I want them to know as much as possible so that when it is time to make a decision, whether that's taking something to trial or taking a plea, I want them to be as informed as they can so that they can make a good decision that they're comfortable with later on. Lastly, you can expect me to be available to you. Now, that doesn't mean that I can accept every phone call at any time of day, but it does mean that if you reach out to me, I'm going to get in contact with you quickly so that if you've got a question or a concern, that I'm reaching out to you and helping answer that question or talk with you about that concern. Or even if you're just stressed out, just kind of talking you through things, because I know that when you've got the weight of the government pressing charges against you, that it can be stressful, and sometimes you need to talk with your attorney just to feel a little bit more comfortable about what's going on. If you're being charged with a crime, or if you have any questions about what I've said, please feel free to give me a call. My phone number is 210-942-4997. You can also click down in the notes, and I've got a link there where you can schedule a consultation. If this video was helpful to you, I would certainly appreciate it if you liked it and subscribed to the channel. And I hope that you have a great day.